shit. And there were two people walking.
Oh, you look wonderful.
Did you hear that?
What?
Miley's camera said, "Oh, you look wonderful."
Oh, damn. I love it.
Oh look, those are the girls who heard her say shit.
That's the coolest.
Oh, she's probably... I can hear her. Listen to her.
You gotta get on it and let Mamie ride.
Me, Mama?
Yeah, your mama needs to get on it with you in her lap and let you ride.
Mama, can I get you out?
Hang on, baby.
Can
Mama's too fat.
If Papa come back, when Papa come back with Nanny,
We'll see. Look, go.
She let go of the bars.
She's a true-hearted woman now.
She let go of the bars and she just had her hands on her hips.
And lift us up. Well, it's real secure. You can break driver.
Oh boy. Look at her hair.
Mommy wants to ride.
Mommy's gonna get on behind you and let May ride down the street with you.
Okay, all right,
Come on,
go.
Nanny. I got you, Nanny. I got you.
Look at Terry holding on for
There.
dear life.
Now one's moving so. See.
Now we can go out.
Get out.
Hang on, let me turn around.
That is one cold ride.